Hi guys, today I'm going to share an easy artwork for you which you can complete in a day. Here I'm using this printout of a silhouette of a father and a son. You can use any silhouette or motif of your liking. This picture I found it on Google. I am just scribbling pencil on the back of the printout. You will have to scribble all the lines that you want to trace. Here I'm going to place the printout on the sheet that I want the artwork to go on, and I'm just going to run the pencil over the edges or the lines that I want to trace on the paper. This artwork needs the minimum of art supplies, so practically anybody can do it. Once I'm done tracing the artwork on my paper, I'm gonna run black pen over the traced pencil marks. Once I'm done tracing it with the pen, I'm going to draw some guiding lines horizontal to my artwork. I'm gonna draw it on an equal distance. I will not draw the guidelines on the silhouette that I traced. I'm gonna leave that part of it. Once I'm done drawing few guiding lines, I took a black pen and I drew some small lines, some big lines, and dots randomly over the guiding lines. I didn't draw guiding lines over the whole sheet because then when I put my hand on it, it would smudge the guiding lines and make the paper go gray. I would suggest you draw a few guiding lines at a time and go on from there. Once I was done with the background lines, I filled some parts of the silhouette with bold black color. You can choose to fill the whole silhouette black or give it a more thicker outline. Here I'm shading it with a pencil where I go darker at the corners and lighter at the center. This artwork is going to go in a special room in my house, which I'm going to share very soon. I do have a lot of content planned, so please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.